Oh shit. Mm-hmm. Mm. Yo, how's it going, Tomer? Hugo, what's up? Octo, how's it going? Juho. Are you an expert cybersecurity guy? I most definitely am not an expert cybersecurity guy. Nice shirt, thank you. Alright, let's try not to spill coffee in myself this time. My hand is still red from yesterday. What shirt is it? It's like, you know, like the horns up? It's a bull with horn, like, you know the hands, horns up? But it's a bull. If you can see it. It's super badass. It's probably actually one of the... I've had this shirt since like early middle school, but it was very large on me when I was a kid. Now it's only slightly large on me. No, it's perfectly sized. Think he's an expert at driving the bus. Still can't decrypted your game, sorry, but I still can't recover the project files. You did something very well. That's good. I'm not a decryption master, but I did spend some time learning how... I'm not an encryption master, but I did spend some time on it. How tall am I? I'm 5'7" and like a half. Relatively short, at least in my country, I think. Little man, what's it called? Short king. But don't worry, I'm only small where it counts. Alright, so what's the plan for today? Alright, so we were working on saving and stuff. Please do. It's very easy. I can look into it. That's another thing that, like, would be nice to add in the full game, but, like, there's already so many things to do, and I only have so many brain cells to allocate per day. It's like one file. If you want to send me a link to some stuff, I can check it out. You just add an autoload? I see. How's your hand doing? It still hurts when I touch my hand. I don't know if can you even see it? My camera, like, because I have that green screen stuff on, you might not be able to see it as well. It's just slightly more red than the rest of my hand. It almost looks like a healing bruise. Yeah, how's it going, Adam? Adam, I saw your message. Yeah, I'll have to look into the whole translation stuff, like, but yeah, again, there's a lot on my plate, so, we have to, like, I'm trying to take it one step at a time, but, you know, I will try to, you know, do everything as much as I can. Look at Adam's stats. What do you mean? Joined since 5th, following since 3rd. Joined since 5th. What do you mean? Like started following or something? Oh, account created on June 5th, following since July 3rd. No, those are 2 different months. For mod support. Yeah, that's what he's talking about. Bad brain cells. That's okay. We're all NPCs here. GODOT modding mod loader. Oh, interesting. Alright, I'll have to look into this, but not right now. But I promise I will put it on the like if there's a back burner, if there's a front burner and there's a back burner, I'll put it on the middle burner. I'll put it so it's official. Version 7 here. This might have to be something for version 8. What the fuck? Here we go. Version 8 mods. You're late? Yeah, I am late. I had to go to. I've been postponing. So my doctor said I'm, lacking some vitamins. One of them being vitamin D. Apparently, you only get that from the sun, and as an NPC, you don't go out in the sun. So I have to go get my 1-a-day capsules. Oh no! Ooh, imagine I take this 1 a day. Oof, it's 5,000 IU. Oh no, sorry, not even 5,000, 50,000. God damn! Imagine taking it. I feel like you'd probably die. I don't know, not die, but you'd probably get very sick. You don't get vitamin D only from the sun. Yeah, there's a middle school joke somewhere in there. NPC dying on stream. Couldn't take that, and the games isn't even finished yet. Get those chews from CVS. I actually did have vitamin D pills, but I just never took them. This one is 50,000 IU, and you only have to take it once a week, so I kind of like that, because I always forget to take pills, so, yeah. And it's free, so I'm not complaining. Alright, let me start this stream on a good note, and let's just start working on whatever we decide to work on today. Which is, should I do the saving system, or the... Do I want to do the menu system or the saving system? Saving? Saving. What do you want saved? What do you want to see saved, Tomer? What exactly is it that you're concerned about? CVT stream round 2? You know, I had a friend pop into my stream yesterday. I won't tell you who it is. But there was a friend on my stream, and then like after the stream was over, they DM'd me and they were like, "Hey, is everything okay? Like, I see a lot of people are talking about CBT and like OnlyFans and all of this stuff." And I was like, she was like very concerned, and I was like, "Hey, this is normal. Don't worry about it." Oh man. I was like, that was just your average Tuesday on the Practical NPC stream. All right, saving system. Okay, so we saved Cock and Ball Tuesday. Oh no. Burm, burm, burm. All right. So there was this thing that ChatGPT said, which was file user data.json var saved to JSON file path if path successful. Okay. The thing that I'm concerned about is that we do something similar with our INI file, and it doesn't save properly. I don't know why. We'll try this out. We'll try saving to. Let's just give this a shot. So we have the progress manager. Should I make a saving singleton? Save node? Save file. So we'll have a... Damn, we're making so many I feel like I should just have one, like, global singleton that manages all of this stuff. And then we could put, like, I feel like the progress manager could be thrown into here. I think that's actually a good idea, right? I'm gonna keep it separate for now, but I think it'd be relatively easy to just throw into the save file. So let's save this. Where do I save my singletons? Singletones. Alright, here, let's just copy and paste what we grabbed from ChatGPT. Ready, blah, 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 blah. Saved to file. The method saved to JSON isn't declared in the current class. Did it just make a random function here and just say like, oh yeah, just use the save Godot 3 save to JSON. Should we even be saving to JSON? Like, is that usually how people save files? Just have a single tone manager? Dude, what is going on with Godot 3? Like, all of these... Everything is broken. Godot has a better built-in way. Dude, what the hell? Was not found on this server. Like, everything is broken. Import JSON. Does that work? Oh wait, did I even say GDScript? Is this? No, what the hell? As binary files. Alright, let's try this. File.new, file.openPath, write, store string, JSON.stringify data. What's the data? Data is equal to... Okay, let's try this out. Hacking, he's in their mainframe. You're in the mainframe. I think I trust Tober. Save to JSON. Okay. Data is equal to blah blah blah, and then func ready. Whoops. Dude, I feel like, oh my god. A little slow today. We're still waking up. I'm about to get DDoSed. With the stuff. I have to get the file with the stuff and then the thing. I know you have to include... I think I already have it included in my project settings. Wait, no. No, I think it's fine. Save to JSON, user data. Here, let's put this... Let's make a new folder real quick. For now. We'll call it save file. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, save file, user data.json, and then the data. So, should this just work? Non-existent function on base JSON. Stringify data? Non-existent function, what the hell? Parse? Just realized I have almost all memory versions except some at the beginning, rare collection. Does someone have all of them? Probably Glick. I mean, I technically have all of them. I don't know, like... You could use a .dat file for saving. Here, let me just look. Let me see if someone just has a Godot 3 save file. Saving games. Here, let's just see this. Save dictionary, okay, and then save game. Save game is equal to file access open. Save game.save. Are they just creating a random file name here? Save nodes, get tree.get nodes, and group persist. 4 nodes and save nodes. JSON string. What's this whole stringify thing? It doesn't... Is this on Godot... Oh, it's on Godot 4, that's why. To JSON. I'll send you some example code. Okay. Appreciated. Unless we figure it out in these next 5 seconds. To JSON. It doesn't work. What the hell? Wait. We did something wrong here. Do we not have to say .json? Let's see. To JSON. It's just in G script. There we go. Bow, bow, bow. Bobbly Boo. You can check it out. But I think this will work, right? I don't think there's anything wrong with this. File C, blah, 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 dot user data. What's dot dat? Is that like a void any case error? Store data. What's the difference between using, like, would you want to use... What is the best way to save data? You said, I think Tomer Bar said... something something. If you use dot data, it would be hex encoded. Serialize it. JSON is easier to manipulate. I mean, it's a single player game. I feel like it doesn't really matter. Like, if you want to change the save, you can't, like... why am I going to try to stop you from cheating, for example? But it's harder to develop. So maybe we'll keep it the way it is for now, and then later on, if we want to change the save file, we can. But, like, while we're playtesting and, like, stuff like that, during these versions, maybe just keep it like this. It shouldn't be too hard, right? Like, just to change this function, or change basically this. Alright. What is the best approach for, like, saving this information, though? What do we want to save, actually? We also don't even have a level select yet. And in story mode, that's another issue. Like, we have a level select, but it's completely separate from story mode, and we would have to add... Alright, so let's try to figure out everything we need to do first. Like, what's the like, what is the, you know, the user experience here? Oh, no, you know, or use data dat files. Okay, I'll look into it. Here, let me get rid of all this. Extends node was this. Saving example usage. Let's get rid of this. Alright, so saving structure of game. What the hell? There we go. So we have a story mode, and we want to lock out rooms that haven't been beaten. So that means I'm going to remove level select. I think that's what we're going to do. If we have this, there's no point of having a level select until you've already unlocked the rooms. So maybe, actually, how do I make things simple? Because, like, what I'm thinking is, oh, if you go into level select, then you can just go back into story. So story and level select and story will kind of be the same thing. Like, you can go into story and go back in the story if you wanted to. Alright. Record all collectibles. Record all collectibles, lock rooms that haven't beaten, create individual files, record time played on this save file. I think that's pretty good. So level select will happen here. Or I guess option to level select. And I don't know, option to no. select a save file. So that's what we'll do. You select the save file, then you pick what you want to do, which, I mean, there's only one thing to do, and that's to play the story. Trying to think if there's anything else we'd want in story mode. So there was speedrun mode. Speedrun, okay, that's the other thing. Speedrun mode could be just thrown into the story mode. I mean, in Celeste, when you go into speedrunning, like when you speedrun the game, you're still going through the story. So we would remove speedrunning mode. I would add an option into the settings. Okay, so that's all there is to that. You can save all of your runs, timer. So what we would do, like how Celeste does it, is there's just a timer per each save. And so like if you want to redo your save, I mean, if you want to do another save, like every run should be clean. And I guess we could make a speedrunner mode. Like we could do speedrunner, which is going to be the same exact thing, but by default, there'll be an option to reset entire game. Speedrunner mode. Option to reset, and like there'll be some quality of life features that we can add. So that would be option to reset entire game. Timer added automatically. Option. Should we do speedrunner mode and also like playtester mode or like testing mode? Where like eventually it would be cool if you could like we could add an option to restart the entire chapter as well. Restart. Or I mean, you can already do that. Well, you can already select the level here. I don't want to give certain content to people right away. So like in the base game, I think that's what we need to consider. Like, are we going to give people the ability to skip rooms right away? And I think the answer to that is no. Free Drool, how's it going? Yo, how's it going, Grumble? Are you going to add an assist mode for people who suck? I love the auto mode. Yeah, there will be an assist mode. Assist mode here. We'll put it as an option. I think what we're gonna do is similar to how Celeste does it. So I think when you select a new save file, you're gonna select if you want to do story mode, speedrunner mode, or testing mode, or maybe we should call this assist mode. And that's where like option to select cheats. Cheats would be allowed here. What does Celeste have? Like you can't die or something? Celeste has like infinite dashes, infinite jumps. You can mess with the delta, so like you can play slow, like in slow-mo. I think there's another option where like if you hold your dash or if you pressed a dash, you can like the game pauses or something, and like you can select where you want to dash, kind of like in Ori. You know, when like you're about to, you know, like I don't know what that skill is. Oh shit, I was getting this. Hopefully my internet doesn't go out, but I don't know if you guys are getting. There's this thing that's happening today. It's like a test. Wireless emergency alert system. Purpose to maintain and yeah. Yeah, my grandma told me about that. That's pretty cool though, right? My grandma told, like, I didn't even know about that. My grandma was like, she told me this morning, and she was like, just your internet's gonna go out, like everything is just gonna turn off. And I was like, that doesn't make sense, grandma. Like, come on, they're not gonna turn off the entire internet for some test. But yeah, pretty cool. Imagine streaming and then like you hear that and it's like there's a nuclear, like, yeah, like some sort of like emergency where like everyone has to evacuate, or oh my god, ooh, like kind of like fucking, I don't know, it's kind of scary actually, scary to think about. What's the alarm thing called? I already forgot. It sounded like a Amber Alert, but it wasn't an Amber Alert. It was like Lunk Alarm. What's that alarm? Oh yeah, it is called Lunk Alarm. You're talking about the Planet Fitness alarm? Yeah, apparently that was like nationwide, I want to say. Grumble, what time? You're on the West Coast, right? So you got that. So everyone got it all at the same time. That's kind of crazy. In the entire country, everyone's phone just went off.